Want to swim faster and feel confident in your swimsuit? Brazilian waxing might be the game changer you didn't know you needed. In this video, we'll share top tips and tricks to help swimmers get the most out of their waxing routine. Stay tuned, your next smooth swim starts here. Swimmers are always looking for ways to improve performance. One way to gain a slight edge: reduce drag by removing hair in sensitive areas. Brazilian waxing helps create smoother skin, allowing for a cleaner glide through water. It also reduces chafing and irritation caused by swimwear during long sessions. For many swimmers, waxing is about more than performance, it's also about confidence. Whether you're competing or just training, feeling good in your skin makes a difference. Not all waxing salons are the same, especially for athletes. Look for a salon with experience working with swimmers or sports clients. Always ask your esthetician about their methods and whether they use hard wax. Hard wax is ideal for sensitive areas. It pulls hair from the root without damaging the skin. A professional with the right tools makes a big difference in comfort and results. Proper prep before your wax leads to better, longer-lasting results. Gently exfoliate the area 2 to 3 days before your appointment. This helps remove dead skin and lowers the chance of ingrown hairs. On the day of your wax, avoid using lotion, oils, or heavy creams. These can create a barrier and prevent the wax from sticking to hair. If you're worried about pain, taking an over-the-counter pain reliever 30 minutes beforehand may help. After waxing, your skin will be sensitive, so treat it with care. Avoid swimming, hot baths, and tight clothing for at least 24 hours. These can cause irritation or even infections in freshly waxed areas. Apply soothing products like aloe vera or a recommended post-waxing lotion. Continue exfoliating a few times per week to prevent ingrown hairs. This will help keep your skin healthy and smooth between sessions. Maintaining your results takes consistency. Most swimmers benefit from waxing every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on hair growth. Use gentle, non-abrasive cleansers on waxed areas. Avoid strong scrubs or chemical exfoliants right after waxing. For big swim events, book a touch-up session a few days before for a flawless finish. Brazilian waxing can be a powerful tool for swimmers who want comfort, speed, and confidence. Follow these tips to make each wax smoother and longer lasting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to MTH Health for more athlete-focused health tips. And tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy swimming.